Nĩgatho cia mwanya mwirori wa kiheotv gukorwo ukinyitana ithe mahinda-inĩ maya mathaa mega ma uko tukumenyithia maria matinda makianika thiini wa Kiheo Kabiru Thaa Imwe gitagwo Wairimu wa Wanjiru mutwathiri na njira ya ciiko etagwo Sharon mwari wa gicuhi na tukiambiriria mohoro maitu ni ati murini wa president Professor Kithure Kindiki norete thirikari cia matura cihariririe kungethanira na mbura ya muniko ya El Nino iria tanyitwo guthandana mweri wa 10 aritio hindi ya gikaro na ya kuramata ugai wa kigina gatagati ga thirikari nene na thirikari cia county IBEC.
For that to happen, we need a expedite infrastructure. We want to see value addition, aggregation. We want to see processing. We want to see job creation. We want now to start discussing uptake of spaces in the KIBs so that we can develop that very important infrastructure. The enabler resources, the enabler services, electricity, water, and so on. And if today's IBEC is not enough to look at all things, I am willing to have a thematic meeting, not IBEC now, just on KIBs. On the two levels of government, we can have a special meeting in the next 2 weeks if there are heavy issues which require the people responsible for electricity, for water, for roads to be present differently than they are now. Because we don't want any gaps in the delivery. We don't want any reason why the KIBs agenda should not now progress towards maturity.
Na tugithina mbere ni ati Na tugithina mbere ni ati munini wa mutongore wa bũrũri Kithure Kindiki ni atongoririe igongona ya kurekereria maabitha a rũhonge rwa njera aria marikitie mathomo mwena wa Ruiru. Kindiki augite thirikari ni ikirire kugacirithia mirutire ya wira ya maabitha na mikarire yao aritie kana orite maabitha aya agukorwo andu aria mekwirutira wira-ini wao na kwihotha kuingi ndigi gutia gatiba ya bũrũri.
Chief Inspector of Prisons Edina Piato, Drum Major Sajini Margaret Makambi, Victoria Nashbai na vile vile
sherehe hizi wasemavyo wavyele kwa pamoja, kwa maringo na kwa hamu na hamumu.
Now and in the future, in force relating to my service, in the Kenya Prison Service,
you have the information and you have the right support from your commanders, right from the Commissioner General of Prisons, and therefore you have no reason why you should not succeed. The Ministry of Interior, also through the State Department of Correctional Services, will support your commanders to make sure that everything the service requires in terms of policy, in terms of resources, is availed. And therefore, mine is just to encourage you and charge you to go out there and make a difference, contribute, make a mark. And the sky is the limit. Anything is possible.
Nake mũmbunge wa Mũkũrũ-inĩ John Kagucia ni akinyite mbere ya kamiti ya ũrũmwe na ũiguano NCIC kumana na mĩario ĩrĩa arekereirie hĩndĩ ya mũcemanio wa kĩũteti mwena wa Kieni gũkũ nĩ kaunti ya Nyeri. Kagucia nĩ areganĩte na mĩario yake ĩrĩa augĩte ĩgarũrĩtwo kuma Gĩkũyũ nginyagia Gĩthũngũ, akiuga we nĩ mũndũ ũrĩa ũtĩĩte watho na ningĩ ongereire na kuga etereire ũrĩa igoti rĩgũtua.
Kenya is a unique country that has all these communities that are that's what makes us unique as a country. We have said it again and again. Our children are intermarried. There is cross-pollination, so to say. So there is nothing like Watuwetu, Mutuwetu, etc. That kind of a narrative and rhetoric must come to an end. We cannot allow it in this country. Number two, We are grateful that Honorable Kagusha has appeared before the commission. I want to ask the other clients to follow suit. Do not push us to the wall and issue or seek for warrants of arrest and come for you. Just because you are leaders in this country, can you, in your own volition, in obedience to the, summons and letters which are written to you, appear before the commission? We have to work as a team. And therefore, I want to say today's meeting has been a very fruitful meeting. We have engaged very well, and the commission is going to retreat and come up with a verdict all the way forward.
Nake wakiri Angela Mulwa, mami wao Rose Mbi na mũrũ wa nyina Chris Mulwa ni matanyĩtwo gũcokia thitango ĩgĩmaine na gĩkuũ kĩa ndagĩtarĩ Victoria Mutiso kũrĩa Angela anyitirwo rĩngĩ arĩ igoti-inĩ rĩa Milimani. Ndagĩtarĩ Mutiso atũnganire na gĩkuũ gĩake mũthia-inĩ wa mweri mũthiru thutha wa kũhũrwo rithathi nĩ andũ matoĩkaine agĩthiĩ wĩra.
Rather, we intend to canvass this application to detention of the resident for 14 days to facilitate in at court. This is an information sheet for murder against one Rose Mbithe Mulwa, alias Rose Mbithe Ndetei, Chris Mulwa, and Angela Mulwa, the respondent here.
The applicant has moved to withdraw the application, miscellaneous criminal application number 3856 of 2026. Based on the above, the application to withdraw the said application is hereby allowed. This file is closed.
Tugethina mbere nĩ atĩ arũgamĩrĩri anene a aruti wĩra kuma ministry ngũrani nĩ mokĩte hamwe kwarĩrĩria ciĩgiĩ ũhũthĩri wa mĩtambo ya AI ũruti-inĩ wa wĩra harĩ gũtigĩrĩra mũtambo ũyũ ndũnakorwo kĩoya ikinya kana ndũnakorwo ũgĩkinya handũ nĩ woera wĩra na gũtiga andũ matarĩ na wĩra. Makĩaria marĩ kĩgomano-inĩ kĩharĩrĩirio nĩ rũhonge rwa kũrũgamĩrĩra aruti wĩra kotu, arũgamĩrĩri aya maugĩte nĩ gũbangĩtwo ũrĩa ũhũthĩri wa mĩtambo ũgũkorwo ũgĩkinyanĩrio.
With us, the photo from the Communication Workers Union.
Must keep the truth at all times, just like
he was supposed to be with us, but because of other engagement, guiding principle to not mention recent work, its Communication Workers Union of Kenya submitted its condition of work in Kenya.
We meet a defining moment for the world of work. Digital transformation is changing how enterprises size, production, and how people find and perform work. And artificial intelligence is accelerating that change. It is opening new possibility for productivity, entrepreneurship, and employment. At the same time, it is raising questions that go to the heart of workers' rights. What happens to jobs when tasks are automated? What happens to workers when algorithms determine who gets work, how work is allocated, or how performance is measured? That we are engaging at a time when the AI bill is active, receiving a lot of feedback. As well, we currently have an act policy
Ngatho na gukinyira hu twakinya tuko tugikiria oro hanini turacokereria na riboti ingi.
Ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Experience ile tu nayo atathuriri ni ati mutumia gitweka empowered muno ri kamwena ke kamwena we rigi ugakoreria decisions ciake matua make wona wa macharage mutwithania tondu niwe uma na mbeca tiwe uma na mbeca na in fact Maureen unfortunately ugo niguo kuhana
hena we uria wari we wikaire tukaria kari very ambitious no cio niwe mutumia ratwenda gucokia tumwire atiriri wende no cokererie kwimenya ku twaririo horo waku umenye value yaku umenye wendaga gutwika ki ucokerere uria we wari
divorce re ni kido it is there, it is real, it is something no edera andu matigana ni ukoraga ati kwina ongi wahuana nginya tangiruga nginya mutwe tondu wa gutigana
muthuri uyu ni arariha nyumba muthuri uyu ni ararihira school fees tondu those are the basic need nduri handu ngiurira kuriha nyumba nduri handu ira kurihira ciana school fees na irio koguo twamba kuga twambe tuiganire kugura irio rent na school fees maya mangiri tiga kuhanyukia muthuri
Shararuku ukireherwo ni Wanjiru wa Waithaka mwambiririo kwambiriria thaa 2 cia hwaini. Mwangaza wa Neno FM shesheni ya redio iria irehagira umemerekia muthuranire o muthenya wa mwambiririo kinyagia gatano tabarira cihotanire kwambiriria rucini kinya hwaini thaa 11 kinyagia thaa 4 cia rucini nyitanagira na Esther wa Mathenge the Kingdom Lady theinie wa githima rucini thaa 8 nginya thaa 10 ukanyitanira na Celestine Waka the Favored One theinie wa tabarira ya Shangwe igikinyiria thaa ikaingira kiverereki theinie wa tabarira ya ngwataniro na Kamau wa Waithira KW mrevana kinyagia thaa 2 cia utuku na kwambiriria thaa 2 kinyagia thaa 5 cia utuku kanyitanira na Susan wa Ngoro Women Rep theinie wa tabarira ya Ikumbi ria Kigosho Guru wa Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving toekaine ni kuruta matereva a gikiro kia iguru mari na wigirereki munene farafaraini. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving turutanaga utereva wa ikiro ciothe class utereva wa fikifiki na tuk-tuk, class B nini, class C utereva wa marori na class D ni utereva wa ngari cia ukui wa muingi. Urutani witu wa utereva ni wa kurumanirira na mutaratara mweru wa NTSA na warikia kothi tugaguteithiriria kwigira na driving license. Ni undu wa uhoro makiria ndukamairirie gutucerera wabici-ini citu Rwesambu nyumba-ini ya Jewel Complex Gorova ya gatano barabara-ini nene ya Thika Super Highway kurigania na TRM kana utuhurire thimu kugerera 0703 164003 03 164003. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving, drive with confidence.
We ewe ni wenderera we kawira kau gaku o investire miaka iyo yothe ri umuthi uyu ngoma angiariria turi anime moka magukua indo ciaku ungika atia kana ungiambirie kumacaria na miguu ta njege tatengera kuria gwa Kimuma Engineering System umere makuonia CCTV cia kamera ciraiganirira muhuko waku. Oho ni makoragwo na electric fence materials razor wire cia green na cia silver ni makoragwo na access content ira cia kuhinya fingerprint ugitonya intruder alarm system na no makoragwo na indo ciothe cia mwaki nginya fire extinguishers oho no makoragwo na solar panels na ni makoragwo nginya na ihingo automatic kuhinya ka remote oguo wira ni muingi ta gutinda kungangana na ngeti ni nyingi muno duka ciao ciikuria Nairobi CBD macamaniro-ini ma Kamae na Gaberon Road showroom yao hau Nyandarua House ground floor duka wengi yao area ko Nyandarua House second room 204 duka wengi haria Gaberon Plaza ground floor number G1 na kwa kule Kasarani ni haria Max Plaza kungethanira na Kasarani police station ona kana no macarie na thimo 0793 494949 kana 0793 949494 kana 0793 595959 gitira wira waku na CCTV cameras kuma Kemuma Engineering twaririe.
Ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Nigatho twarĩkia gũcokereria oro rĩngĩ Penina Wanjiru Kinyanjui nĩ atonganĩte na mwana wake ũrĩa atigire kũrĩa Saudi Arabia ihinda kaĩrĩ na nĩ thutha wa Wanjiru akwaga indo iria ciendekanaga ta birth certificate ya mwana wake. DNA nĩ ratabanirio nĩguo kũmenyekane ndũgũ ya Wanjiru na Precious. Rĩu ministry ya maũndũ ma nja wa bũrũri nĩ yũrĩte a Kenya gũtigagĩrĩra marĩ na indo iria cia bata iria irabataranĩka mbere ya mathiĩte mabũrũri-inĩ mangĩ na gũtĩa watho.
I'm so happy kupata mtoto wangu. It was not easy. Nimekuwa hadi mgonjwa juu yake, but now nitakuwa tu sawa. Nilikuwa naongea na yeye kwa wiki mara moja, maybe Sunday ama Thursday. Ndio nilikuwa napiga, but ni jioni saa 10.
We're excited. It's not every day that we get good news, but today we are particularly excited to be bringing back baby Precious and reuniting her with her mother and with her family.
Na identwa ikena kuona kana kau ni kanini muno gati bũrũri-inĩ ũcio na gũtigarĩte mathaa manini tu president akorwo akĩgena kũrĩa kaunti-inĩ ya Narok na mũmbunge Narok ya ithũĩro Gabriel augĩte mũingĩ nĩ ũkũgunĩka makĩria maikaraga Narok ya rũgongo kũrĩa gũtanyĩtwo kũrugũrio barabara ĩrĩa ĩkũrehe ũkũria mũnene. Orĩtie mũingĩ ũkeyumĩria kwa wĩingĩ nĩguo ũkamũkĩra mũtongoria wa bũrũri William Ruto.
We are once again privileged and lucky to be having the head of state touring Narok County on issues development tour starting tomorrow, Tuesday and Wednesday, and it's going to be a marathon. You know, the president has done massive and great project in this county, as he has done across the rest of the country, and you'll be touring almost five or so 4 constituencies in total, starting from commissioning of a very, very important and critical road in Narok North, running through Enengetia or Lokurto to Orpusmoru, which is a food basket of the county and even the country by extension. That is one of the biggest food production region in this country, doing production of wheat, barley, potatoes, and the rest. And it has been the big challenge for the longest time. There have been some theories and perception that traditionally Narok North has been known to be an opposition zone, an opposition area. And it will be a moment for the president to see and follow to see. We want to make a statement that Narok North, an area that has been perceived to have been marginalized for the longest, we have a president who has heeded to their cry, who have identified to their problems, and it's not only it's not only this project. He has done several. We have even an ASP market here in town, and several more other projects. But in particular, this is going to be a game changer, and the people of Narok North have in particular assured me that they will turn up in highest numbers, and they are not just going to turn in big numbers. They are also going to vote the President William Ruto.
Nĩngatho twĩkĩrĩre gaturumu hau tũgĩakarĩko na ciehanda thaa ithatũ tũgũcemania oro haha gĩtĩko irima Wanjiru mũtwathĩri na njĩra ya ciĩko Sharon mwarĩ wa